Christmas, car tags, anniversary, oil changes, they are all coming due soon. Let's be ready for them with sinking funds. Hello, my name is Jason Romero, and after getting out of $166,000 of non-mortgage debt, sinking funds helped us significantly throughout this process. I'm excited to share insights with you about sinking funds in this video. If you're just getting organized or have never budgeted, defining what a sinking fund is will help you in your personal finance journey. Now, a sinking fund is simply money that is set aside for future known expenses. For example, car tags. We all know that it's coming due every year. Car maintenance. I drive a bucket, still do. I've had the same thing for some period of time now, and I know that every single month I need to allocate at least $100 to make sure that I have enough for the oil change, the extra oil that I need because it burns so much oil. If a component, whatever it is, breaks down, I have a little bit of money set aside because I know I drive a bucket. Christmas, it comes around every single year at the same time. So we know it's coming up. We know we're going to splurge for the kids and get something for one another. So be ready for it. And heads up, guys, anniversary. For us, we do set aside some money every single month in order to splurge on our anniversary, because for us, marriage is incredibly important and we want to make sure that we're investing in our marriage and one another. And so we get to set aside a little bit of money in a sinking fund. So why do we use these sinking funds? We use them because we want to be prepared and not caught off guard when they come up. When we're prepared with known expenses, we're not caught off guard and our budgeting does not get negatively affected because of them. Really, there are things that are not going to be a surprise because they shouldn't be. Now, things that I think should not be a sinking fund. A sinking fund should not be your emergency fund. It should not be coffee shop money. It shouldn't be debt repayments. And it shouldn't be your impulse purchasing fund. So, question of the day, which sinking fund are you going to start implementing for your monthly budget? Thank you for watching this video, and like always, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.